10 YouTube channels were hacked because of this mistake. And today I'm going to share with you what really happened, because we're only able to recover one of the monetized YouTube channel. So kindly watch carefully so you don't make the same mistake here on YouTube. Let me explain. It all started last year, 12th December 2025. I was sitting on my chair trying to make a faceless YouTube video. So I was working on one of my folktales story channel. I was making a video, and while I was making this video, I got a notification around 10 p.m. from one of my friend. Her name is Rookie Rich. Big shout out to you. So we have been working for a while now. So she reached out to me and told me that her channel was hacked. I asked her what happened, and she told me her channel was hacked, and she sent me a voice note. Okay, now let me play the voice note for you guys to listen to.
I'm not sure that it's a link. I think it's the laptop I think it's my laptop that was compromised, that was hacked, because it is not only this email that was removed. All the emails signed into the laptop was removed. This one inclusive. So it's like 10 email was removed. So I'm not sure the issue is from YouTube. I think it's all those website hackers.
In most cases, what the hackers do is that they hack your system. So from the voice note, she said her laptop was hacked, and when her laptop was hacked, they were in total control of her laptop. It means she didn't have any control of her laptop. So now she sent me another voice note of what happened. Guys, this is very scary. Just listen to this voice note.
So immediately it was asked, this is how it happened. Google sent me a notification and asked me to tap yes on my phone if it's me trying to sign. Immediately I click on no, and immediately I was trying to secure it. But I think those people are experts. There's a way I tapped no, but there's a way they tap yes. I don't even understand.
So you guys heard, she tapped no. Google still gave them access into her channel. Everything was just signed out from her phone instantly. These people were using like an automation or something like that, because I don't understand what is happening. She told me that she got hacked through a brand deal, and of course you know that brand deal is a good way to make easy money on YouTube. Ad revenue is not something that is stable, because in some months you might not reach that threshold. You might not reach the threshold of the $100 mark. So she got a brand deal, and this brand deal was requiring her to download and install something on her system. So it's just like a contract. So they'll tell you that you should download the contract and then you sign it. And when you download this contract, what you are downloading is the software they are going to use in hacking your computer. So this was what happened. She downloaded it from this brand deal. I don't know if I'm going to be safe showing you how this email looks like, but I'm going to check one of my spam folder, because I get a lot of these emails and I just ignore. Although some brand deals are real. I'm not saying that every brand deal is bad, but I'm going to show you how to spot a brand deal that wants to hack you. When she downloaded the contract, her system was just, it happened instantly. They have different formats, which I'm going to be sharing before the end of this video, so just stay tuned. So when she downloaded it, her system was totally hacked. All her emails in her system was just signed out instantly. She had over 11 emails or more than on that computer. Everything was just signed out instantly. Everything was just signed out. Signed out from all her Gmails. Then she got a notification on her phone, because then she was not with her system. She got a notification on her phone that they are trying to log into her Google account. If you don't know this, when you're trying to log into a new phone or a new device that you don't normally use before, Google is going to like see it as suspicious activity, and they're going to give the other phone that the Google account has been signed in before a notification. So what happened is that they sent her this notification to her phone, because she signed in on her system and her phone. So when they gave her the notification on her phone, she tapped no. But since these people already hacked into her laptop, they already used her laptop to tap yes. So this was what happened. It was just looking like confusing to her, like how did all this thing just happen? That why Google just let everything happen. And today I'm going to show you how she got her personal YouTube channel back. Her YouTube channel name here on YouTube is Rookie Rich. She also teaches about YouTube growth just like I do. Immediately she tapped on no, they just hacked her account. The people already tapped on yes very fast and they hacked her YouTube channel. So when they hacked her YouTube channel, she had to reach out to me and tell me this is what is happening, because I've been helping her so much. So she reached out to me immediately and told me that this is what happened, that if I can help her. I tried to recover this account. I could not recover it because immediately they logged her out. They changed her phone number. They changed everything on her phone. They changed everything on her phone. So imagine, I was just imagining the position she was in at that moment. All your hard work, I don't know how many years she has been running that YouTube channel, all her hard work just gone in just a minute. Just the mistake of her accepting that contract, everything just gone just like that. I was like, what? Then a few days later, she told me that she wanted to use my channel. She wanted to use my monetized channel to reach out to her manager, because if you go viral here on YouTube, YouTube is going to reach out to you and give you a manager, like a YouTube partner manager that is going to be like working with you. That is a real person that is going to be working with you. So she told me she wanted to reach out to her manager. But apart from that, you can also reach out to any YouTube support. If you have a monetized channel, you can reach out to any YouTube support and they are going to help you get your channel back. But for a small channel that is not monetized, I don't know how you're going to get back your channel. That is why she lost these 10 YouTube channels, because some of them were not monetized. So if you're a small channel and you get hacked, bye bye, your channel is gone. So she reached out to YouTube support and they were able to help her get back her main channel, that is her face channel. They were able to help her get her face channel. And I was glad that at least she got that, because that face channel is what is helping her so much. That is where most of our students are. That is where she do her coaching. And if they should hack that particular YouTube channel, they can use that channel to start collecting money from her students. If they should hack that her face channel, they might start using it for something that she does not want. And she had to try as fast as possible to recover that account before that started happening. She got her account back by reaching out to the YouTube support. So in case you are in similar situation of being hacked and you don't know how to go about it, for instance, you don't have someone close to you that you can reach out to get your channel back, maybe you don't have anybody that has a monetized YouTube channel, you can surely reach out to me and I'm going to help you get your channel back. But another way these people get your account, another way they hack your account, is by using phishing. So I know a lot of hackers are going to hate me for this, but this is something very popular. So phishing is what they use. I've actually almost gotten hacked because of this particular method. So what happened is that I had this faceless channel in 2024. So the channel was performing very well. It had around 2,000 subscribers then. So I was getting a lot of brand deals, real brand deals. Like I get brand deals whereby people like actually pay and sponsor their website on my channel, and I disclose it to YouTube that this is a paid promotion and the brands pay me. Then the channel wasn't that big, so the amount they were paying me wasn't that much, but there was this particular brand deal I got, and the amount these people were willing to pay, they were paying around $30, and to me then I was thinking $30 was a big money. So I was like, okay, let me like accept. So they sent me a link to their website. This brand they used was a very popular brand. I'm not going to mention it here. It was a very popular brand. I was like, what? Is this how my channel has gone far, that this particular brand is reaching out to me for a sponsorship? So I was very happy in partnering with them, not knowing that they were about to hack my account. So these were not the real people, but they were using the real people's about and everything. Everything they wrote for me there was actually true. but the link they sent to me to go and visit their official website was a wrong one. So what helped me was that I didn't actually use my system in clicking this link. So what I used was my iPhone 7 then, and guess what? My iPhone 7 got hacked. The phone was just glitching. My iPhone 7 was hacked. It was just glitching. I was thinking it was maybe screen or something, but it was just glitching. And it happened to someone here on YouTube again. I'm not going to say her name, but I have watched her video. She said her phone was just glitching. Immediately, everything on her phone was just signed out. But what helped me was that most of my apps, I turned off data for most of my apps. So it was very hard for them to like just hack my other apps, because the data restriction on the other apps are already limited. I can't use them. The only app that I was using them was my Gmail and my Google Chrome. I only turned on data for my Gmail and my Google Chrome. So when they just hacked the phone, the thing was just glitching. I was thinking maybe it was a normal thing. Then I found out later that my phone was actually hacked. I was like, thank God these other apps were turned off, unless they would have just hacked it too. So even when your two-factor authentication is turned on, you can still get hacked. Even when your two-factor authentication is turned on, you can still get hacked. This is my friend I was telling you about, Rookie Rich. So Rookie's two-factor authentication was turned on, because if you want to get monetized on YouTube, your two-factor authentication has to be turned on. And her channel was hacked instantly, to show you that even two-factor authentication cannot help you in this particular situation. So it's better for you to just be safe. Avoid clicking links you don't know about. If possible, when a brand reach out to you for a collaboration, go to Google and search for that particular brand. Use their official link on Google instead of using the link the brand sent to you via email, because you using that link might be a phishing link and they will just hack your account. And I won't pray for anybody to be in that situation. So it's better for you to just search it up on Google and use the link Google gave to you. Most of the links Google do give are safe to use. So that was what happened. She was able to only get back one account. I don't know whether she will be able to get the other accounts back, but she has been only able to get one account back. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next video. Peace.